Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where today we're stepping inside the jaw-dropping 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome, a $350,000 masterpiece that's rewriting what luxury on wheels really means. From the outside, it's a bold and powerful semi-truck, but the real magic begins the moment you step through the door. The first thing that greets you is the living room. And trust me, this is no ordinary RV lounge. Plush leather recliners with built-in massagers invite you to sink in after a long day on the road. The handcrafted wood paneling wraps the space in warmth, while soft ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood. Massive panoramic windows flood the room with natural light during the day, and at night, you can close the automated blinds with a tap on your phone. The 55-inch 4K smart TV sits flush against the wall, paired with a surround sound system that turns movie nights into a full theater experience. From the living room, we move into the kitchen, where style meets full-scale practicality. This space is fitted with stainless steel appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, a convection oven, an induction cooktop, and even a built-in dishwasher, yes, in a motorhome. The solid surface countertops give plenty of room to prepare meals, while deep drawers and cabinets offer storage that rivals most apartments. Soft close hinges and under cabinet LED strips add to the sense of refined luxury. Step further back and you'll find the bedroom, designed as a private retreat. At the center sits a king-sized bed with a premium memory foam mattress and high thread count linens, overhead reading lights, and personal USB charging ports are right where you need them. The walls feature soundproof insulation, so even if the world outside is roaring, you can enjoy peaceful, uninterrupted rest. Large built-in wardrobes give ample storage for clothing, and a skylight above the bed lets you fall asleep under the stars. And then the bathroom, possibly the most surprising part of all. This isn't the cramped little shower cubicle you find in typical RVs. Here you get a spacious spa-style bathroom with a full-sized walk-in shower, rainfall showerhead, and a glass door. The vanity features a solid countertop, a large illuminated mirror, and a porcelain sink. There's even a heated towel rack, because why not bring 5-star comfort to the road? This Kenworth T-2000 isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury apartment that can go anywhere. With 1,500 watts of solar power, a 1,000-gallon water tank, and a powerful Cummins X15 engine under the hood, you can take this home to the ends of the earth without sacrificing comfort, style, or independence. Once you see what's behind this cab, there's no going back.